Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.9% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
South Korean battery maker LG Energy Solutions said it had entered into a non-binding deal for battery-grade lithium supply with Compass Minerals, while negotiations for a final agreement were ongoing. The Bank of England has other options beyond the readiness that it has signalled to act forcefully if needed to tackle inflation, Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey said. Bitcoin held steady at just above $20,000 after Wall Street opened, as Europe's chief banker admitted the world would never return to low inflation.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. The US personal income will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index at 22:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.